In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate the process of paying bills using Intuit's QuickBooks. This guide will take you step by step through the entire procedure, ensuring that you not only know what to do but also understand why each action is necessary. First, we need to head over to the QuickBooks homepage. This is your command center where you'll manage most of your accounting tasks, including paying bills. Open your web browser and go directly to the QuickBooks website. Once you're there, log in with your account credentials. If you're new to QuickBooks, you'll want to familiarize yourself with its interface, as you'll be using it quite often. The homepage is designed to give you a quick overview of your financial activities and provide easy access to various features. Now, let's move on to initiating the bill payment process. On the homepage, you'll see a button labeled New at the top of your dashboard. Clicking on this button is your gateway to numerous functions such as creating invoices, uploading transactions, or in today's focus, paying bills. This operational hub helps streamline tasks, making your bookkeeping experience more efficient and organized. So, go ahead and click on that New button. After you click on New, a drop-down menu will appear, displaying a variety of options. From this list, click on Pay Bills. This is the section where you'll manage outgoing payments for all your outstanding invoices and expenses. The Pay Bills feature in QuickBooks is a powerful tool that allows you to quickly see what bills are due, choose which ones to pay, and ensure your payment records are always up to date. Upon entering the Pay Bills section, you'll be greeted with a list of all the outstanding bills tied to your account. Here you can meticulously analyze the details of each bill, check due dates, and ensure everything corresponds with your financial plans. This comprehensive view is essential for maintaining healthy financial management and avoiding any late fees or missed payments. To move forward, select the bills you'd like to pay. You have the flexibility to pay multiple bills at once or handle them individually depending on your current cash flow and priorities. As you make your selections, QuickBooks will automatically calculate the total payment amount at the bottom of the screen, giving you transparency over your transactions. Finally, click on the Pay Selected Bills button. QuickBooks will guide you through completing the process, instantly updating your books and recording the transactions accurately. This seamless integration not only saves you time, but also significantly reduces the chance of human error in your accounting records. And there you have it, a straightforward and effective way to stay on top of your business expenses using Intuit's QuickBooks. With these steps, you'll ensure that your bills are paid on time, your finances are accurate, and your focus remains on growing your business. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.